fellas, we took another loss today, man. 3 in a row. We're on a little losing streak, and today's trade was kind of poop again. Wasn't the greatest. I don't know what I've been doing, man, but I got to get it together. I got to get it together today. And I think the problem is off market open. I wanted to take a long, and look what would have happened. I wanted to take a 5-minute long right here. We were kind of, dude, we were tapping a 5-minute and a 15-minute gap. We got clear displacement. I literally almost entered here to all-time highs. Like, I swear, bro. And if I would have, it would have banked, and I would have been done within the first, market hadn't even opened yet. I was going to take a 1-to-1. It was a 1-to-1 at the time, this right here. And I didn't take it, which I don't blame myself for not taking it, but it would have played out perfectly. And then there were some setups here. I actually ended up getting into a trade right here on this candle closure, and it was too low of risk, so I exited instantly to try to increase my risk, and then we just shot up. And so my mindset, I don't know if I'd say it was fried, but it kind of was. And then I waited, and then I figured, okay, the way the market's been moving, we've been giving a 2 candle, then a pullback, or then a continuance. And so right on this 1 minute candle, I entered right there. Stops below this. It was actually this low because of a $200 loss. I wanted to give myself a little more room. Never saw it take a profit, bro, and got stopped out. So unfortunate loss today. Definitely avoidable. And that's the thing. Can't really be mad. I'm really de-risking. I've been de-risking just so I can get back in the flow of sticking to a system, sticking to something, sticking to it, not just gambling, because we got our payout. We were making a lot of money, and I started gambling, and it just messed everything up. So got to get back in the flow of things. These 3 losses are nothing in the long term. We're just going to learn from it. We're going to talk about it in our weekly recap, and then we're going to come back next week, and we're going to capitalize on some moves, and that's what's going to happen. So I'm not really terribly mad at this. Definitely a learning experience. Should have waited on this 15-minute tap. Would have got break even more than likely, though. Just going for internal highs. Probably would have took something like this today and got break evened. So wouldn't have been much that we could have done. Actually, probably would have lost anyway if we wouldn't have taken, But there's a couple setups over here, but it's like, I don't know. The market was moving weird today. I'm not really mad. I probably shouldn't have taken this, obviously, but hey, hindsight's 2020. So if you guys need a code to use for alpha, use this code right down here. I think it's 25% off right now, Caden016874. If we can get a few more people to use this code, then I can change it to just KJB. It'll be so much easier for you guys to get a discount on alpha futures. But if you don't, that's completely fine. So I will see you guys in the weekly recap.